All right, good morning, AP Computer Science students. Today is Tuesday, February 9th. Just going to do a free response question, practicing arrays, and also let's get more practice with free response questions. So if you click on the folder for today, there's just this one little assignment thing here. And the question is here. It's a PDF. Right? This has the actual question. I think it has parts A and part B in it. And then this video explains like kind of how to set it up and how to do your work. You can actually type it out or write it out either way. And then there's two little help videos in the event that you get stuck. You can watch those. But again, like try it and like use the help video only as a guide after you've tried things. When you are done, you can turn in your work here, or if you do it digitally, electronically, you can also put it in Google Drive folder. That is it. If any of this doesn't make sense, please just reach out. If you're coming to live class, obviously we'll do this together. So I think that's all I got. Test is tomorrow. All the assignments and stuff for this chapter are due tomorrow. Yeah, have a good day.